Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about best electric heater for RVs that you should buy. Let's get started. To begin with is the HeatStorm Phoenix infrared space heater. You can mount this heater on the floor or remove the feet and mount it on a wall. It has up to 1500 watts of power and produces 5200 BTUs of warmth. The manufacturer says the patented heat exchanger has HMS technology, which combines the heat and heater produces with the humidity in the area to produce a safe, soft heat, but the unit does not reduce the humidity or the oxygen in the room. You can touch the heater even on the grill and it does not burn or injure. This is a conveniently sized heater that has an LCD display that shows ambient temperature. It comes with a remote control for ease of operation and a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Second on the list is the Katona True North heater. This small and lightweight electric heater comes with a built-in thermostat to monitor and report its exact temperature. It is equipped with 5 adjustable settings and 1500 watts of power to give you a steady flow of hot air to effectively heat a camper. The buttons are easy to access on the top of the machine. You can switch the settings to heat, antifreeze, and fan only, which provides a number of ways to control the temperature. The inclusion of the antifreeze setting automatically allows it to turn on when the weather drops below 38 degrees Fahrenheit. Its design is made up of a solid steel housing, making it quite durable. It can fit in small spaces and cannot be tipped over due to its compact shape. Last up is the Lasko ceramic portable space heater. The size of this ceramic space heater makes it extremely portable, so moving it around the RV is a breeze, as is heating up any room. The 1500 watt heater provides up to 3 ultra quiet heat settings with 11 various temperature controls. Combined with the included thermostat, it gives you the simplicity of choosing the temperature you want inside the RV. One extra safety feature is a built-in overheating protector. This ensures the heater cuts off power if the components ever reach dangerously high levels of heat. It's also equipped with a Cool Touch exterior feature. This keeps the body and casing cool so you can move it around without worrying about it burning you. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.